may surprise you that before popcorn, the #1 snack with moviegoers was deviled eggs. Yes, egg-hungry viewers would consume dozens of these boiled treats nightly. Little did they know, an innovation known as popcorn would one day replace their egg snacks for good.
All right, deviled eggs today. We got Halloween coming up, Thanksgiving coming up, Christmas coming up. Everything's coming up. Sporting events. A great little snack. And we're going to do it using Julia Child's secret ingredient. So, we're going to start off with our boiling water. Get that up to temp and get that water boiling. And then we're going to use a steamer basket because we're actually not going to boil these eggs. We're going to steam them. So we'll put our eggs in there straight out of the fridge, right on top of the basket. And we're going to let these steam with the lid on for 13 minutes. Now, while those are steaming, set up our ice bath. Get a nice bowl, put some ice in it, put in some cold water, and we'll have that ready as soon as it's time to remove the eggs. Right into the ice bath, let those sit for 15 minutes, and this is going to make them real easy to peel. Alright, once you got your eggs cooling, we're going to work on our wet mixture. Half a teaspoon white pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 whole teaspoon Dijon mustard, half a cup of mayonnaise. I use Duke mayonnaise if you have it. And Julia's secret is 2 tablespoons of soft butter. Yep, that's what she put in to make it super creamy deviled eggs. Okay, so we'll get our mixer out. We're going to mix that up real good. And we'll set that to the side. Because now we got to take our, I almost forgot. A couple dashes of green Tabasco sauce. Now we're ready to mix it all up. Set that to the side. And we're going to cut our eggs in half. And gently remove the yolks. And put those into the bowl. And then it's going to be time to take a spoon or a fork or whatever you have. And mash those yolks down as much as you can. And then we're going to slowly add our wet mixture, because we're not sure how many yolks we have, to the wet mixture. You don't want to make it too wet, because then it just doesn't work as a good filling. So put about a little bit more, about half in to start, and then start mixing. And you'll know right away if you need more of the wet. And you can tell right away here that I do need more of the wet. So I'm going to add another 25%. And that actually worked out to be the right amount. As we mix this up, we've got the texture perfectly. So now we got our filling done. We're going to take a Ziploc bag, fill it with the filling, and cut a little hole in the corner and use that as a piping bag and use that to fill the eggs. And there we go. Just take your time, press it in, fill it up. And then I like to top them off with a little bit of smoked paprika and a little slice of black olive. And you have a delicious deviled egg with Julia Child's secret recipe. Alright, enjoy these little snacks. Remember to like, share, subscribe, hit the bell to stay up to date. And thank you very much for watching. Come back for more recipes.